Welcome to my channel.
And this is a Learn English podcast.
Hello and welcome. Are you frustrated with your English? Have you been studying for months or even years, but you still feel stuck? You read books, you watch videos, but when it's time to speak, you feel like a beginner again. Today, we're not going to give you easy answers. We're not going to tell you it's all okay. Instead, we're going to talk about the brutal truth of why you are not improving your English speaking. This will be uncomfortable. It's a conversation you might not want to have, but it's the one you need to have to finally get fluent. There are three main reasons you are stuck. Let's face them together. You spend all your time consuming English. You listen to podcasts, you read articles, you watch movies. You are great at understanding. But you spend almost no time producing English, speaking and writing. Think of it like this. You want to be a professional football player, but all you do is watch games on TV. You understand all the rules, but you never touch the ball. Your brain knows English, but your mouth doesn't. You cannot improve your speaking without actually speaking.
This is the hardest truth to accept. You are more afraid of making a mistake than you are of not learning. You wait for the perfect moment, the perfect sentence, the perfect pronunciation, but it never comes. You want to be fluent before you even start to speak, but fluency is a result of making thousands of mistakes. Your brain cannot learn to correct itself unless it makes mistakes first. You are stopping your own progress because you are too afraid to stumble.
You are probably studying English. You spend 10 minutes on a grammar app, then you watch a YouTube video, then you memorize a few words from a list. This is not a plan. It's a collection of random actions. If you want to reach a destination, you need a map. You cannot become fluent by doing random activities. You need a daily routine, a clear goal, and a commitment to action. Now that we've faced the truth, let's talk about the real solutions. Solution for truth number 1. Start speaking today. Stop consuming so much and start producing. Your goal for today is to speak. Talk to yourself in the mirror. Describe your room out loud. Use the shadowing technique where you repeat after a native speaker. Do this for just 5 minutes a day. Start now. Solution for truth number 2. Embrace mistakes. This is a mental shift. From now on, when you make a mistake, don't feel embarrassed, feel proud. Every mistake is proof that you are trying. Tell yourself, I am a brave learner. This mistake is a step forward. The more mistakes you make, the faster you will learn. Solution for truth number 3, create a plan. Stop with the random activities. Build a simple 15-minute daily routine. For example, day 1, 5 minutes of shadowing plus 10 minutes of talking to yourself. Day 2, 5 minutes of listening to a podcast plus 10 minutes of repeating key phrases. A consistent plan, even a small one, will give you real results.
The brutal truth is, your English isn't improving because you haven't been doing the things that matter. But you have a choice. You can continue to dream about fluency, or you can start to do the work. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. The moment is now. In the comments below, tell us, what is the one bad habit you are going to change today? Thank you for watching. The path to fluency starts today.